Hello, my name is Ashlyn, and I have a corporate relations role here at Club Sparkle. We're a lifestyle company that specializes in wellness and beauty products, which are very successful in Japan. We're now launching here in America. I want to provide a demonstration of our multifunctional products and share my experience. First, I like to highlight Shine, a unique total body moisturizer that's great for the hands, face, lips, all over the body, even your hair. It has nutrients like vitamin E, antioxidants, vitamin C, and other healthy ingredients that nourish, restore, and protect your skin. One of the best things about this product is how great it feels on your skin. It's silky smooth. That's why they call it Total Body Silk. Although I don't personally wear face makeup, I do enjoy using this product on my face after showering because it protects it from the outside elements. For those of you who do wear makeup, Shine is an excellent primer to prep your skin pre-makeup. I like that Shine is weightless. I don't feel any density when I apply it, so I know that my skin can breathe. Also, there's no fragrance whatsoever in this product. Now, I'd like to illustrate how this product works in hair. As I said earlier, Shine and all Club Sparkle products are multifunctional, but as you can see, they're also multicultural. I'm mixed race with both African American and German background. My hair, like other natural styles, doesn't react well to products that contain heavy oils like mineral oil. So what I truly love is how lightweight this product is. I can actually use it as a finisher of sorts. I use it after my hair is completely dried, either I air dry or I blow dry, to keep moisture in my curls. African Americans in particular know how important it is to maintain moisture in our hair and give it some shine. Perhaps the best part is a little bit really does go a long way. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the product, please leave them down below.